Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock apps in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to lock any of your apps, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first I recommend you just have to simply open your settings and here go to general, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that you're on the latest version of iOS or you haven't any pending software update. If you want, just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back. And here we have to select any app which you want to lock. So let's say I'm going to select my app store. Just keep a long press on it and you'll get an option which is require face ID or require passcode. If you don't have any face ID, so you'll get the option of require passcode. If you have set it up your face ID, you'll get the option of require face ID. Just tap on this option and then select require face ID and verify yourself using your face ID and your app will be locked. Now whenever you try to open your app, you just have to try to verify your face ID and then you will be able to open your app. So in this way you can easily lock any apps in your iPhone using your face ID or your Apple passcode. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.